actual finisher's punition or verdict, he hit it with something different. Ability, feast of blood, blood. Spell, drain, blood. Base cost,
I need the alignment though. I need to stop putting it off because I'm gonna...
Jesus, bro. Really?
Yeah. Ah.
What if they fly at us while we're trying to get around them? I'm not saying we can't do it, but we'll all be screwed if they start burning and blinding us. They get no chance to grab us. He worked on the form he was filling out. Whoa! What time as we know it from suddenly person flinging us.
Plus rating from the Better Business Bureau. They can help you consolidate your business into one affordable payment. Minimize.
The car has a heart attack. I bet he could diagnose.
And he can diagnose a lot of stuff.
Construction reported ahead.
Diagnose.
And he can diagnose.
But yes, it is just strange that a lot of...
Oh my God!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
No!
Station that's always off key. Sports Radio 96.7 and 1310. The Ticket.
When it comes to results, the members say for the Thomas J. Henry.
Oh my God.
I was like, oh my God, I just witnessed an accident. That dude blew through that. That dude blew.
So what did go wrong prior to 2014? So it's the clearly we're seeing now the decline of the political system to party system. So when did it go wrong?
Talking about the Lear jet. Holy.
What?
This vehicle is going to crash right in front of me. Oh, it did. It crashed. It turned over. Yeah. He was towing a vehicle.
Join only at Metro by T-Mobile.
Cameras. Like digital cameras to make temperature fun.
Found 73 employees at potential terrorism. Inspector General John Roth explained how.
Passionate patriot and lover of military glory, Bismarck nevertheless gave a speech in Parliament at the height of fever that astonished all who heard it roll unto the statesman. He said, "Who makes war?"
Big choker, no mediocre. I ain't never.
Love to own physically is their self-titled.
Yeah. Careful. Hey, there's people.
Whoa!
Now, that might teach law clerks and other people.
What?
Emergency video.
Oh, you!
Why is got that 40 if I stumble?
Oh, dude.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Sorry, there was almost
of those two would mean that they cannot sit down for a meeting. I think what matters most today is going to be how President Trump reacts to these.
Jesus.
Good. Now you have a rough plan of attack.
Mercedes and explaining cats lived outdoors for 10,000 years. It's never going to stop. But I went to the store and I bought you some Gorilla Glass and this car cover. sees it every time.
Jesus!
These men were trying to settle down the man with the knife and stop convicting people without evidence.
Big stoner, big choker, no mediocre. I ain't never.
I know they're not final yet, but we've shared the preliminary results.
What the?
Jesus!